in the Northern Territory, Mark Edwards, Managing Director of Prodigy Gold, is with us today to share some very good news about progress with the Old Pirate Gold Mine as part of the Twin Bonanza Project. How good are those names? Mark, can you tell us the what of the latest news?
So we're just providing a bit of an update to our stakeholders and shareholders around where we're at with Twin Bonanza. We have just started bringing it back into the fold and have started talking about it a bit openly. But what we've been doing is working on trying to get some approvals to look to restart the operation at Old Pirate, and then also to look to do some exploration work there this year.
So that's the what. How about the so what? Why is this progress so significant, both to the company and your investors, but also in the context of the world today?
So with the elevated gold price, I think that's one reason why it was good to relook at the Old Pirate project again. One of the things that we are concentrating on is to look to do it as a small-scale gravity operation on site. So it has been mined previously. They had some good results with a small test plant there previously. Well, we're looking to replicate those results and do it ourselves on site. But just really to stress, it'll be a small operation producing small numbers of ounces per month, but looking at how we can get the biggest bang for our buck from the deposit. It is a narrow vein. It is a small deposit in terms of scale, but has good grade in places as well, which is what we saw with some of the results we released around the ore sorting as well in this press release. So
a small on-site full-service boutique gold mine, that sounds good to me. What sort of timelines are we looking at? What are those next big milestones?
I was really hoping to try and get something away this year, but this year is quickly moving, as time does. So we're in the process of looking to get a new mining license under the NTEP Act. So we've been talking closely with the regulators here. They've given us some really good advice on how to progress the license application. So we're in the process of trying to submit that now. So what we're hoping to do is get that in with the next couple of months, and then they'll go into an assessment phase, which will probably take us through until the wet season. So when we're looking now is probably more realistically would be for a start in the dry season next year. Ideally, we would have liked to try and get it away this year, but time has just got away with us, unfortunately. And just working through the new regulatory framework here in the Northern Territory has just pushed us out a little bit further than I was hoping for originally when we started looking at it earlier this year.
And in the meantime, is there anything else that you will be doing at any of your other projects?
So as we've spoken about before, Hyperion is probably our key project. We're looking to form a JV. We're still working through that process with one of our neighbouring companies in Tanami Gold, who are looking to restart the Central Tanami Project JV with Mount Gibson, or MGX, sorry, as they're called now. So we're still looking to develop that one. We do have a co-funded hole that we're looking to get away probably next month. So that'll be very exciting for us. It is a pure exploration hole. It's a deep hole chasing an IP target. And this is what we can do when the government's co-funding the drilling with us and paying for half the drilling costs, which is a fantastic scheme they've got here in the Northern Territory.
So we have a variety of news to look forward to then, Mark, and I'm very grateful you made the time today to catch us up on it.
No worries, thanks. It's always great to tell the Prodigy story.